Hi, I'm Whitney with Koala Cuddles Baby Wearing Education, and today I'm going to talk about how to buckle your chest clip behind your back by yourself when you're wearing a buckle carrier or an SSC in a front carry. So I'm going to go get my 1-year-old and I'm going to put him in the front carry. Let him play with that, please. He's not ready. He does. I'll fix it. Okay, so I'm going to put him up just like I normally would. Hi, bud. And I'm going to bring up my shoulder straps. Thank you. Now I have them pretty loose, and that's what I want. I want them to be nice and loose so that I can reach this chest clip right here at the nape of my neck. And so I can buckle it myself. Did you drop it? Okay, hold on. Okay, here you go. So, now my chest clip is clipped, but it's really high. So in order for me, I don't know where you dropped it, buddy. Where'd you drop it? Okay, here you go. So in order for me to get it to drop down, I'm gonna lift his little bottom and I'm gonna rotate my shoulder straps. So see how I'm rotating them back? And as I rotate back, I can tighten and my chest clip will drop. So lift his bottom, rotate, and tighten. And now I've got my chest clip where I want it, nice and low in the center of my back. And I was totally able to do it by myself. So to get out, all I'm gonna do is loosen the side of my straps. I only loosen one, you can loosen both if you need to. And then I just bring that chest clip up and unhook. And that's how you can get in and out really easily. Yeah, thanks. Now you can do that in any buckle carrier. So I'm gonna do a quick mashup of a bunch of different carriers showing the exact same thing. Putting them on, buckling at the neck, tightening, and dropping my chest clip. Loosening one shoulder, bringing it back up, and getting out. So you can see that it works for all the different carriers. So hopefully that was helpful.